Good evening and welcome to our post-game press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Yegyao. Coach, congratulations on the immaculate 3-0 record. Just looking at the game today, what made it possible to one-up Meralco despite playing all Filipino?
We wanted to just offer up the effort to Jalen, to JJ. We knew he wanted to play this and help us out, but baka hindi na namin siya kailangan, pauwiin na namin. So we caught Meralco on a bad day. That's not the real game. They were kind of complacent, maybe a little bit overconfident. So psychologically, we had the upper hand, playing with nothing to lose actually, and expectations going against us winning the game. So laking psychological effect nun. No? And the guys were just playing as hard as they can. It's sheer toughness. No? We played with a lot of toughness. There were times in the game where parang parang bibigay na pero nakakabawi pa rin. So sign of maturity. Also, everybody who got filled in made a contribution. Even our rookies, we tried them a little bit. Medyo we're trying to get their feet wet. Just sheer effort, sheer determination. Maybe we just wanted to win the game a little bit more than Meralco.
Thank you, Coach Yang. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, how difficult was it na in preparing for this game na walang import, or was it easy?
No, I guess it's basically the mindset. No, yun yung kailangan mong we had to be in the proper mindset coming to this game. We told the guys we were just not going to go through the motions. No? We had to have that intention of still winning. Our game plan was to stick close, just stay close, try not to give them a good lead or a lead which we cannot overcome. And we did, no? And we actually led, I think, a lot of minutes during the game. So hindi namin masyadong expected. We expected that just trying to hang by their coattails in the fourth quarter could give us a chance to win, but unexpected that we were in the league for the most part. But again, it's the psychology involved when you're playing without an import, and I guess that goes for us and against Meralco.
Coach, good evening. Coach, you think you would have played with this kind of urgency with Jalen Johnson around?
Yun nga, that's exactly the psychology I was talking about. Maybe if Jalen was there, we would not have been this aggressive or this intense. But I've been seeing that quality in the guys, even in practice. They're very competitive. They're having fun, but at the same time, they're very competitive. So we're able to translate that into the game.
Felix, good evening. Just what's going on your mind now that you seem to be back in the regular rotation of coaching?
Oh, well, I'm just very happy we got the win. It was, tough without the import, of course, and playing with against Meralco, but we owe them from last conference, and I think just playing with a sense of urgency was great from all the guys.
Ay, last. Coach, si Manay tayo naman ang sabi mo sa nilaro niya ngayon na one of those who stepped up in this game.
Yeah, I was already looking forward to giving him extended minutes because Gabe's minutes actually were going to, or a lot of his minutes or Gabe's minutes were going to Christian. So medyo sinasanay na namin siya, and he did a great job actually, offense and defense. He's able to hold his own against the import, no? And that's another demonstration of the toughness of these guys. No? Di sila na-intimidate.
Coach, balik tayo kay Jalen. Nakita ba kayo before the game or may
Of
message?
course, he was always in practice, and then he messaged all the guys right before the game. He messaged them in our group chat, no? Just telling them to fight it out and win this game, and he'll be supporting us while eating his popcorn.
Pero kung sila sa practice, nagkasama ba siya sa...
Sama siya, syempre.
Okay, thank you.